loves, it's Sam. Today I'm super excited to be partnering up with FabFitFun to share with you guys what they have to offer for their spring add-ons this month, or this season I should say. If you're not familiar, FabFitFun is a subscription box, like a lifestyle subscription box that comes every season. So currently spring is going to be shipping out very soon, and they always offer like a flash sale of items that you can add on to your spring box. They're called the spring add-ons, and it's basically like really nice high-end products that are way discounted. So you guys can add them on to your box before your box ships out, and then when your actual seasonal box comes, you'll have some extra goodies in there as well that you were able to purchase for a lot cheaper, which is always really nice. So it's an awesome way to add some extra things, whether it's going to be gifts for other people or you just want to try out some products. I'm just going to be sharing with you what they have for add-ons for spring. There is one that you can actually add for free to your cart, and it's the Love, Beauty, and Planet Coconut Oil and Lang Lang Energizing Deodorant. I actually have not used this yet, but this one is a sponsored add-on, which means you get to put it in your cart and you get it for free. It smells so yummy. I love this brand, Love, Beauty, and Planet. It's honestly like such a great smelling brand, but the packaging is adorable. I love their body washes, and they are super like affordable products. Which is also really nice, but I've never tried the deodorant, so I'm very excited to try that out. I do have a coupon code for you guys, so that if you do want to order your spring box, if you haven't signed up for FabFitFun already, then that will save you $10 off, which brings the subscription down from $49.99 to $39.99 for the season. The coupon code is going to be BLOOM10, and that's going to take $10 off of your subscription to the spring box, not the add-ons, but the spring box. So if you are a member already, then you can upgrade, and then you'll get early access to these because they do go really quickly, obviously, because they're like a limited supply. And when you get the box, like the actual spring box or summer box, whatever the season is, it's always over $200 worth of products. So you're spending $39.99 if you use that coupon code, and you're getting over $200 worth of stuff. So it's really great. I will leave all of my FabFitFun unboxings down below in the description box so that you guys can check them out too. But let's just go ahead and get started. I'm dying to see what the add-ons are. So the very first oh, interesting. The very first thing is the Moroccan Gold Salt-Free Shampoo. I didn't know there was salt in shampoo. It's intense care for dry and damaged hair. This one just kind of smells like fresh and clean and kind of like soapy. So I'm really excited to try that because it does have the Moroccan argan oil, and it's supposed to be intense care for dry or damaged hair, which is absolutely me at the moment, as you can probably tell. Okay, so then we have a sponge. It looks like a makeup sponge. This is the Hybrid Makeup Drop Silicone Pad and Blending Sponge. It's non-toxic, latex-free, and cruelty-free. So apparently you're supposed to apply the product to the silicone side, dab, draw, or sculpt makeup onto face, and then blend out the edges with the sponge smile. Or, I can't read, the sponge side. So like this is like a little silicone like flat part. And then that's the sponge. I wonder how big it gets. It's kind of nice because then you could just pour the foundation on there and then just like dab it on and then turn it around. Next, we have the Luminizing Charcoal Peel Off Mask. I love a good charcoal mask, and I also love a good peel mask. Those are always really fun. This is a deep cleansing, detoxifying. It's got lotus root, charcoal powder, and bergamot extract. And it has 3 masks inside of it, and they're like the sheet masks. We have the Pure Pillow Blend collection. This is a 4-piece silicone applicator tools. So each single one of these is like a silicone like pad. Weird, it has like a thumbprint on it. Weird. It's like touching someone's butt. That's like super smooth. Like it literally feels like you're just like smacking a little boobie or smacking a little bum. Or like an implant. But yeah, that's what they look like. So very interesting. It's really cute though. Like I like the little light pink color, and it's like super squish. So I'm interested to see. Those are all 3 of the different shapes and sizes. Next we have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. Kate Somerville is actually a very pricey brand. This one is for sensitive skin, and this just is a sulfate-free, oh my gosh, look how cute that is. I like the packaging. It's like a really, it reminds me of my nanny. Her whole bedroom is like this really pretty soft kind of lavender, kind of lilac-y color. It has kind of like a soft kind of vanilla creamy scent. So I'm really excited for that. That's probably my most exciting, like, oops, I'm the most excited about this one so far because Kate Somerville is pricey. Okay, then we have the the Moroccan Gold Series Curl Cream. This is intense care for wavy and curly hair, which my hair does have a good wave to it. So I wonder if I could just like put this in my hair and then just like leave it to dry. Let's see what this one looks like, and then of course what it smells like. I don't know why I'm such a sniff weirdo. I just have to sniff everything. I like the packaging. It's a pump top, which is really nice. It smells, it kind of has like a fresh, clean, but kind of spicy scent. Okay, then we have the Milk Makeup. This is the holographic stick, and I'm pretty sure this is like a little highlighter. I'm pretty sure it is. This is in the color Mars. Milk Makeup, like, they're not cheap. Okay, it looks really pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's like this cream holographic. Do you guys see that glow? Oh yes, there you go. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. You guys, that would be so beautiful if you just wanted to put it on like the tops of your shoulders, your collarbone in the spring and summer. Like, you know, it was 74 here the other day, which I was so excited about because I feel like my brother is drowning in snow, and I'm currently, it was like so lovely. I wore a dress yesterday. It was beautiful. But this would be really pretty on the parts of your skin that is just like, you know, showing. The shins, the shoulders, this part would just be so beautiful, and it like rubs in really nicely. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Okay, then we have the Tula Probiotic Skincare Kefir Ultimate Recovery Mask, or is it Kefir? This is a mask that gives new life to parched, dull, and distressed skin in just one use. Their unique probiotics found in kefir, or kefir, blended with skin health ingredients, provide a soothing dose of nourishment and intense moisture for skin that's renewed, bright, and supple. So it's got Arctic winged kelp, which increases elasticity, radiance, and firmness. It has kefir, kefir, I don't know how you say that word. Hydro Complex, 4 strains of probiotics, which provides exceptional moisture and calm skin. Ceramide Complex helps with water retention and assists with wrinkle reduction. And Apple Extract immediately boosts skin hydration and smoothness. Now, I've actually worked with Tula in the past, and they do have really nice products. I think the whole line that I had was all blue, but look how pretty this is, this nice lovely purple. I'm so excited to try this out. Oh, and it comes with a pump top, which is really awesome. And it says you apply 2 to 3 pumps onto clean skin and leave on for 10 minutes, and then use a tissue or damp towel to remove. So I'm really excited to try that one out. I don't smell anything. Oh my God, it has like this really pretty glow. Do you see that? It has like a little iridescent kind of opal glow. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my hand. I don't think it's gonna hurt. It comes out like a cream, so it's one of those, it's not like a dry down mask, it's more of a hydrating mask. But like, it has actually left my skin feeling really, like, look how luminous that is. It has like a pearlescent opal glow. Okay, then we have Babe Lash, which is an enhancing conditioner. And this is basically just a, you know, those like little lash serums that you just pop on your lashes and makes your lashes look lovely, like Latisse. But Latisse is so expensive. And last but not least, we have the Revitalash Defining Liner Eyeliner. This is in the color Deep Java. It's a high impact color, precision application, and smudge proof wear. Oh wow, that's like butter. That like went on seriously so creamy. Just like, ta-da! That's really, really pigmented. Oh, that Milk Makeup smells really good. The holographic highlighter, it has like a nice, oh maybe it's this. I'm sorry, I think it's the mask, that Tula mask. Something smells yummy, I don't know what it is, but yeah, that is really creamy. Whoosh, glides on so smoothly. So that's everything. Those are all of these spring add-ons. I think if I have to pick my favorites, I'm gonna say this is absolutely beautiful, especially for spring. The Milk Makeup Mars holographic stick is going to be so beautiful on all of the points that you just want to like glow and like make them stand out a little bit. So this one is absolutely my favorite. And then I have to go with the Kate Somerville Goat Milk. I mean, obviously I haven't tried it yet, but I'm really excited to try this one. It's a moisturizing cleanser. My skin has been really dry. I don't know what's going on because my skin is dry, but then it's oily as well. So like underneath the oil, it's like been flaking, but I have been using a vitamin C serum from Sunday Riley, and I'm wondering if because I've now been using it for such a long time that it's finally starting to do something, and so my skin's getting dry because my skin has been feeling like dehydrated but then oily. So it's been really strange. So I'm actually really excited to try this because I just feel a little parched lately. And this does have Manuka honey as well. And then I'm also really excited about this mask because it's purple and it's cute and it sounds delightful. And then very excited to try this deodorant because this smells so delish. And then I think this shampoo is definitely going to be something that I'm interested in for sure, especially with my hair at the moment. Oh, the hair struggles of life. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you guys also very much. Don't forget to check out these spring add-ons. Do it quickly. They go out really fast. And then you can get them added onto your spring box so that when your spring box ships out, you'll have some extra goodies as well. And these are just such good products. Like I said, all really good, like high-end brands that are like pretty pricey, and then you can get them for discounted prices. So it's such a good deal. I will leave the link down below as well as that coupon code. Take advantage of that. That'll save you $10 off if you're gonna go ahead and order a box. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Huge thank you to FabFitFun for partnering up with me for this video. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Mwah. Bye.